My grandmother once gave me a tip. In difficult times, you move forward in small steps. Do what you have to do, but little by little. Don't think about the future or what may happen tomorrow. Wash the dishes, remove the dust, write a letter, make a soup. You see, you're advancing step by step. Take a step and stop. Rest a little, praise yourself, take another step, then another. You won't notice, but your steps will grow more and more, and the time will come when you can think about the future without crying.
Took the